Suzuki LJ80V I've picked up a few weeks ago. It's pretty rare. I found one with minimal rust and a pretty straight body, so that's going to be my project car. So it's had a few owners. It was out in the country for years apparently. It's had at least one respray. Used to be white, but they've gone with this army look. And they've also got these original rims and these bar treads on here as well. Okay, so it's a little bit rough inside. There's heaps of things that have probably either been ripped off or had a few home repairs done to it. A couple of things that were already on here when I got it was these old door cards here with somebody's just stapled or stuck a little bit of camo on. They were the first things to rip off. They were rattling all over the place. But yeah, look, not bad condition inside generally. There's all the headlines gone, obviously. There's just all the old glue left up there. Usually they've rusted out in this back area, so it's actually not too bad. Obviously it's been lifted, bit of a backyard body lift that's gone into it. So it's sitting about 2-3 inches taller than it should. But yeah, look, not a bad, nice straight body to it. It's on there, treacherous in the wet, so I think they're going to be able to come off. And if you look over to the right there, look there, you can see a bit of the body lift they put into it. Probably pull that whole suspension out and replace it with the suspension lid soon. The old bar treads. Otherwise, not too bad. Inside, as I said, it's a bit rough. Those doors, I'm lucky that they haven't got rust throughout them, just a bit of surface rust in there. All of the trims around the window, everything needs to just be ripped out, and I've already sourced heaps of parts already to replace all that. Mirrors, everything, glove box, all this stuff sort of going, getting replaced. Seats need to be retrimmed, and most of the inside needs to be pretty much pulled out, and full respray inside as well. I haven't decided what colour. Sort of tossing up between a original factory beige colour, desert beige, and then or a sort of an off-white, greyish off-white colour, but my mind will change probably about 100 times between now and when it gets resprayed. But yeah, the glass all intact and not a bad condition. Just have a look at under the bonnet now.
Starting with an F8A renovator CC engine originally. This one's been replaced with a 1 litre from an SJ410, so it's a pretty popular swap out. It's generally mechanically pretty good actually. It goes alright. Transmission's good. Engine's been reconditioned the last couple of years. Needs a bit of a clean out obviously, but all this will be ripped out and the body comes off to do the bodywork. Anyway, that's just about it for the first one. But that's my LJ80V. Tune in, watch the progress, I guess.